Already billed as being at the forefront of artificial intelligence breakthroughs, Neuralink is paving the way for a new era of human-machine interaction. With its promise of seamlessly connecting brains directly to computers, get ready to explore the exciting world of Elon Musk's Neuralink as we take a look inside its factory. Inside Neuralink Neurafactory. Elon Musk is known for his unconventional pursuits, and his latest venture, Neuralink, is no exception. Founded in 2016, Neuralink is a neurotechnology startup that aims to create a symbiosis between human cognition and AI.
Achieve a sort of symbiosis with artificial intelligence. But I think with a high bandwidth brain-machine interface, I think we can actually go along for the ride. And we can effectively have the option of merging with AI. This is extremely important.
The company's primary goal is to develop implanted brain-machine interfaces, BMIs, that can augment human capacities, and in the long run, protect mankind from the dangers of artificial intelligence. One of the key innovations from Neuralink is the development of a tiny device called the N1 Link. This device can be implanted in the brain and then linked to a computer or smartphone wirelessly, enabling the transmission of vast amounts of information between the brain and other devices. The N1 Link has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and could lead to a wide range of applications, from gaming to medical treatments. In addition to hardware, Neuralink is also developing software for the N1 Link that will allow users to control the devices using only their thoughts.
That would be amazing.
The software will translate brain signals into movements, much like controlling a computer cursor. This technology has the potential to change the way people interact with technology and could be particularly beneficial for individuals with disabilities who may have difficulty using traditional input methods. Despite its potential, the development of BMIs is still in its early stages, and there are many challenges to overcome. Neuralink will have to overcome technical and regulatory hurdles to bring its technology to market, and there are also ethical considerations that must be taken into account. However, with Elon Musk's track record of innovation and his vision for the future, Neuralink has the potential to make a significant impact on the world. Neuralink to begin human trials soon. Apparently, the Food and Drugs Administration has given Elon Musk's Neuralink the go light to kickstart human clinical testing of its Neuralink brain chip. With approval from the FDA, the tech tycoon claims that this vision will be brought to life within the next 5 months, and Neuralink will be able to implant its first brain chip into a human. The technology works by connecting a computer directly to a person's brain using tiny flexible electrodes, allowing a direct exchange of data between the two. Using hundreds of tiny electrodes implanted in the brain, Neuralink's brain-computer interface can read data produced by neurons and transmit it to a computer. The technology is being developed for use in medical applications, normal human-computer interactions, and augmented reality. In terms of medical applications, the device could potentially be used to help people who have suffered from a stroke or other brain trauma regain function. Additionally, it could be used to monitor and treat epilepsy, migraines, and other neurological conditions. For normal interactions with computers and machines, Musk has said that the implant would allow individuals with impaired motor functions to use computers without needing to use their hands or vocalize commands. For AR or VR applications, it could enable AR glasses that respond directly to the commands from your thoughts. No need to speak or press buttons. As sci-fi as all sounds today, if all goes according to plan, the Neuralink implant could be one step closer to becoming a reality in the next few years.
Can't wait any longer.
However, if you're thinking of the possible impacts of the Neuralink chip, hang on, we'll tell you within the next minute. Neuralink updates so far. Despite its innovative potential, the Neuralink program is still very much in its experimental stage and is undergoing a significant amount of trial and error. One of the key challenges that Neuralink has faced is the development of a safe and effective method of implementation for its chip. In recent times, the company has revealed a surgical robot that says it can safely implant its chip into a human by introducing electrode threads into the brain while avoiding key blood veins. The current implantable chip is much smaller and more discreet than previous comparable devices, which often had large invisible wires. The chip is approximately the size of a quarter and has the same thickness as the section of the skull that it would replace, making it entirely unnoticeable. This is a significant improvement over earlier designs. It could help to increase the potential user base for the technology. Nonetheless, with the progress that Neuralink has made, there are still many challenges that the company must overcome before its technology can become widely available. In addition to the technical hurdles, there are also important ethical considerations that must be taken into account. The prospect of having a device implanted into one's brain raises many questions about privacy, security, and the potential for abuse. However, the team at Neuralink remains optimistic about the future of their technology. Elon Musk has stated that his goal is to create a symbiosis between human cognition and artificial intelligence, and he believes that the implantable chip is a crucial step in achieving this goal. With its advanced surgical robot and miniaturized chip, Neuralink is making progress towards this vision, and it will be interesting to see what the future holds for this innovative company.
He's got a great vision.
The possible impacts of Neuralink.
So for the first two applications we're going to aim for in humans are restoring vision, and I think this is like notable in that even if someone has never had vision ever, like they were born blind, we believe we can still restore vision.
Elon Musk claims that one of the first practical uses of the chip might restore sight to the blind and movement to the paralyzed. He argues that a disabled person may be able to utilize this technology in its early stages to interact with a computer by typing and navigating a mouse using just brainwaves. On top of that, there is the potential for much faster data transfer than we have today. Neuralink could revolutionize how we interact with devices and our understanding of neuroscience, as it could track and monitor electrical impulses in our brain for medical purposes. It is also being used for treatment-resistant depression and has been tested on animals with great success. Most impressively, Neuralink developers are looking into how this technology can treat paralysis by allowing paralyzed victims to control prosthesis with their thoughts. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually happening right now. While the majority of people fear the worst, many are optimistic about the potential of this new technology. Would it be safe to test on humans? This video will reveal the potential long-term damage the Neuralink brain chip might cause in the coming minutes, so stay tuned. A lot is happening with Neuralink as they prepare for their first human testing in the coming months. We'll update you soon as anything new happens, so stay tuned by subscribing to this channel and enabling post notifications. Potential drawbacks and risks of Neuralink. While Neuralink is an exciting new technology that promises to revolutionize our lives, there are still a few things to consider before undergoing a procedure. First, the implant itself can be risky. It carries the same risks associated with any brain surgery, such as infection and bleeding. There's also the potential for long-term damage to the brain tissue or interruption of nerve functioning. There's also the risk of interference from electromagnetic signals or other types of interference. And live animals have recently been tested with technology which raises questions about animal rights and whether or not animals should be used in this type of testing. 15 of 23 monkeys tested with a Neuralink brain chip died, according to a recent study. If we're being completely honest, this technology is dangerous. Worse, people are concerned about how this technology will affect privacy and security. It's possible that our thoughts and data could be monitored, and people worry that their data could easily be stolen or used in ways they didn't agree to. Neuralink is showing remarkable progress, raising hopes that it can revolutionize both our daily lives and the medical field. With its ability to connect the human brain to a computer, Neuralink's technology and capabilities are expanding at a remarkable rate, offering new possibilities to people worldwide. With so many amazing features being developed, it is clear that Elon Musk is set to change the game in health, technology, and the internet. Contrary to that, ChatGPT is already making waves as it has begun revolutionizing the future of AI. Watch our next video on the inspiring story of Sam Altman and the future of artificial intelligence to uncover more.